Let's turn our attention to the window tracks and frames. A clean frame can really make your windows shine. First up, vacuum out any loose dirt from the tracks. This prepares the area for a deeper clean. Take a spray bottle and fill it with water. This is the base for our cleaning solution. Add a few drops of dish soap. This mix is great for cutting through grime. Generously spray the solution onto the tracks and frames. It'll help loosen up the dirt. With a small brush, like an old toothbrush, scrub the tracks and frames. It's perfect for tight spaces. Wipe away the loosened grime with a damp cloth. You'll see the dirt come right off. Rinse with a bit of water to remove leftover soap. This ensures a clean, residue-free finish. Finally, dry everything with a clean cloth. Your window tracks and frames will look brand new. There you go, perfectly clean window tracks and frames. It's amazing what a difference it makes. If you found our guide helpful, please like this video, comment with your thoughts about window cleaning, and share it with friends who might find it useful too. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical home care tips and tricks. See you next time.